Have a DDE file from Black Duck Software Security Tools? These are data export files containing software composition analysis results. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these Black Duck data export files. If you frequently deal with unusual DDE file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. Users encounter DDE files when exporting software composition analysis data from Synopsys Black Duck. This file contains a detailed inventory of open source components, licenses, and security vulnerabilities found in a codebase, intended for review, archiving, or import into other systems for compliance and security audits. The DDE format is a proprietary compressed archive, likely a zip container, holding structured data such as JSON or XML. This design allows for the efficient bundling of complex relational scan results, including component manifests and vulnerability reports, into a single portable file for offline analysis or data exchange. The source application for DDE is frequently listed as Synopsys Black Duck from Synopsys Inc. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows offers only top-level details, so proper interpretation depends on the correct application. We need to force an application assignment. Right-click your DDE file and select Open With. If Synopsys Black Duck is installed, test it. If it's unavailable, select another program. Testing is the most direct path to the fix. We're facing a complicated DDE error. Let's move to the testing phase and check these critical common failure points to find the fault. First, opening in Black Duck. Import DDE files into Black Duck Hub or Synopsys Black Duck through the platform's import functionality. The web-based interface displays component inventories, vulnerabilities, and license information for analysis. This is the primary intended use case, providing complete context and integration with security workflows. Next, viewing raw data. Open DDE files in text editors or specialized data viewers to inspect raw export content. The structured format may be readable depending on encoding, revealing component data, and security findings. This approach helps when full Black Duck access isn't available, enabling basic review of exported security analysis information. Finally, generating reports. Use Black Duck's reporting features to generate formatted reports from DDE data. The platform produces PDF, Excel, or CSV reports suitable for distribution to development teams, compliance officers, and executives. Reports translate technical security data into actionable formats for organizational risk management workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.